Here's how you can refresh your Facebook account. Start by opening the Facebook app. If you'd like to refresh or update it, there are a few different ways to do that, either directly from the app or by visiting facebook.com. First, let's completely close the Facebook app and then open the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook. Once the page loads, check if there's an update button next to the app. If you see one, tap Update to install the latest version. If not, there's another simple way to refresh Facebook. Let's go into your phone's settings. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Facebook, and clear its cache and cookies. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app to fully refresh it. On iPhone, open Settings, tap on General, then choose iPhone Storage. Scroll down, select Facebook, and tap Offload app. This clears cache data and cookies. After that, just reinstall the app again. This forces an update and gives you a clean, refreshed version of Facebook. Once you've reinstalled or updated the app, there's one last step that can help. Open Facebook, tap on your menu icon, scroll down, and log out of your account. After logging out, simply sign back in again by tapping on your account name. Doing this refreshes your data, reloads your profile, and ensures everything inside the app is updated and working smoothly. That's all it takes to refresh your Facebook account on Android or iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more app tutorials.